miniature scale, like a jewelry scale. Oh, is this the back?
Or
this looks like a jewelry scale, or a medication scale. Are they weighing out their
vitamins?
Vitamins, yeah, that's it. Oh, now I gotta dig through all this stuff. This, la la la. Okay.
It was listed on a website for $60, but it was listed under.
Man,
this stinks.
is that what smells?
Yeah,
it is.
It's a chest, like.
Thanks. That's on video. Thank you.
Not bad at all, man.
Oh my gosh! I need a strawberry cheesecake shake from Sonic. The junk papers that really didn't need to be saved. Can we find some cash somewhere? That'd be so awesome. Look, Chelsea, your hair's on video.
Beverly Hills Polo Club.
Oh, was that from, that's something else, isn't it? It's not from the same stuff I found. That's cool. Wow. Was that in the bottom of this red too? Hello.
It fits. Emma, it fits.
Wow.
Do the spin.
Did you see this already?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I didn't know if you saw that. Here's a cool pen. Always faithful. Yeah, that's kind of a neat pen. And oh, forgot we found a Polish coin up there. And then some gift cards that we'll look and see if there's anything left on them. Okay, there's some headphones. Sentry headphones, I don't know. And here is the watch. Beverly Hills Polo Club. Another watch. That one's pretty. 2 watches now. Well, we have multiple watches, but 2 of those. Those are cool. Won't be anywhere, but here's a cufflink. I don't know if that's a name brand or not, but I don't see anything on this one. Okay. Oh, there's some boxes in here too. Let's see. Winnie, somebody? I don't know. Ew. It's the other cufflink. I wonder if this is the box this goes in. I'll have to do some research, but at least there's both cufflinks in here, so that's a good thing. So I'll put those back in the box, and there's another box. Let's see if there's anything in this one. No. He didn't actually find a box that had DVDs, did he?
No.
He just found a DVD?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So here's some DVDs. Okay, so that's kind of cute. We've got a few sewing things here. So we've got a little Singer mini sewing essential with the sewing machine. Hey, you can wad up a sewing block. This is not open. I don't think this has ever been used. The instruction manual's there. That'll be interesting. I'm gonna have to open this up, but I think that maybe it's brand new in the box. I think the only thing they took out were the bobbins for this other kit. Sweet. This is gonna make a long video, isn't it? Video number 30. Okay, got some beautiful watches. I don't remember what I did with the box of jewelry. Oh, it's over here. I'm going to put all the jewelry together. I don't know if it'll all fit. I'll have to go through all this. I mean, here's a fingernail. Camera person shaking her head. Okay, this is what we're trying to figure out. This looks like a mattress cover. I think that's what this is. I think this is a mattress cover. I'm not going to open it. I'm just going to donate it.
What if there's money?
Don't say that because I'm going to pull it out. Watch, the YouTube people will be like, you'd be surprised where we find money.
I'm telling you.
We
Old
find
people
money
hide
in
them.
the books, we find money in the pictures.
But if they hide them like under their mattress and stuff,
Oh my
if they just pull the
gosh.
sheets out.
I would poop my pants if there was money in here. Okay, what is that? Is that a curtain? With some blingy. Oh, it is a curtain. There's two of them in here. Okay, so curtains. Okay, no money.
Shucks.
Yeah, oh well. I tried.
At least you
I
checked.
tried YouTube. I tried. Donate. Uh-oh, my donate's getting too big. And another loofah. That's 3 loofahs. Okay. This is used. These are like Band-Aids. They might be used. Empty wrapper. Empty wrapper. Empty wrapper. A pineapple. Notes. Empty wrapper where all the pins were. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we're getting into boring stuff. You know, I'm always afraid I'm going to throw something away and then I'm going to find what it goes to later. Checkbook holder. I don't know. Does anybody buy those?
No one uses checks anymore.
I don't use. I use like 1 check a month. Really, satin hands. Did you ever use satin hands, Mary Kay? It works really good. It's got these like little scrubby things in it.
Little
or
beads.
Whatever. Yeah. Wonder if that is that an ashtray? I
think it is.
Figure out. Like, kind of looks like an ashtray. Decor or something. Conair curling iron. Is this brand new? This still has a tag on it.
To be fair, I don't take my tags off because they're warning labels, Steph. Someone may not know that that product is hot.
There's something in it, so okay. Donate. Trash. I miss the trash. God, and there's like seeds. So random the way that people pack stuff. It's like, oh my gosh, we're in a hurry and we're just gonna throw crap everywhere. Wall decor or whatever. Okay. I wonder if these are probably scratched, but these are fossil. I'm gonna have to look at them. They're really dirty. I bet they're scratched up though, because they were in the middle of metal. Here's a metal leaf for you. All decor stuff. More butterflies. There's a butterfly. Metal butterflies. Some of them are kind of need too much work. What are these? Like
The wall decor.
they. I mean, do you?
You screw them into the wall.
Is that what you do?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. And another leaf, and another butterfly, and another butterfly, and another butterfly, and another. Like a miniature scale, like a jewelry scale. Oh, is this the back?
Or
This looks like a jewelry scale, or a medication scale. Are they weighing out their
vitamins.
vitamins? Yeah, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
So the rest of this looks like trash. Maybe it was vitamins. Let's think positive here, because this is like definitely, I found capsules in that purse. There's a bunch of vitamins. Yeah, we're gonna go with that.
Yeah, that's definitely a vitamin bowl.
I mean, I used to do that. I used to break up my own stuff and make capsules out of it. And they were supplements.
Disclaimer.
They were 100% supplements. Here's a random spoon. Oh, see these tweezers? It's a lady. And then look at the back. That's funny. Oh, this was the toothpick thing. It's like, is that really what it is? Oh, okay, I see. The thing comes out and the toothpick comes out. That makes sense. And it grabs the toothpick. That's kind of funny. Oh, it's sad that this is broken. That probably would have been kind of a cool piece, but... Oh, here's a penguin. No markings on it. Yeah, it's still kind of a cool piece, though. That one's neat. I wonder if it has a friend. Yep, here's a friend. Oh, those are cute. Oh, another penguin. So, 3 penguins. And they're all in good shape, too, if I can keep them that way. Here is candlestick holder. It's kind of cool. I like that one. What in the world? Glycerin. Glycerin. Trash. Is this the one that box went to earlier? What the crap happened to this anyway? It's like someone took it outside and rubbed it in mud or something. All right, well, I've been busy sorting for the last 3 days. I've been trying to decide what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to donate. I filled up a whole trash can full of trash. These are donates. Well, the cord's not a donate, but I'm keeping the cooler. These are to micro sort, possibly keep. Donate that box. Donate this stuff. I have 3 containers left over here to go through. That red container is stuff being donated. These items were from the storage unit I bought last year, and those are all donate. I kept the best of what I wanted to sell. There's some cheap china in the trash can over there that I'm going to donate. Just miscellaneous stuff in this trunk that I'm going to donate. I still have this container right here to go through, and those to go through and see what else is in there. That obviously you saw on the previous video. It's mainly full of purses, so I'm going to have to micro sort those and see what I'm going to keep there. I still need to go through that bin. There's a bunch of electrical stuff in this box. I pulled out all these items right here from other boxes, and so I have quite a bit of figures and things that I'm going to probably keep and sell in there. And then I've been working on this. I found a ring yesterday that I was hoping was real, and it doesn't look like it's real. It looks like it's S925 silver over brass, cubic zirconia. I'm probably not going to bother showing it because it's inside. And then I started sorting through this stuff, and most of it's junk, but I found a few of these containers. They're empty. And then a random EpiPen, some dongles, some little empty bottles. So most of this stuff is junk. I pulled out a few things of jewelry last night, but yeah, there's a couple of those. So this has been a really interesting storage unit. Not sure if someone was sick or what. I'm kind of wondering if someone lived with their grandmother, because there's just a mix of stuff that's for maybe an older person plus a younger person, or someone had health issues, but it's just an arranged like an assortment of stuff. So most of this stuff's junk. I'm gonna keep going through here. I don't think there's really anything else worth keeping. I'm still finding these figures, so I'll put those all together. But if I run into anything else, I will start the camera and show you guys. Ooh, look, extra large camo. Did I say extra lard?
Now she's calling you extra lard. Me, a cow. Why are we helping this woman?
Extra, words are hard.